today I brought a video on personal finance. The topic is how to calculate EMIs for your loan amounts. So before we deep dive into this topic, let's take a step back and think. Most of us have taken a loan at some point of time. So when we take a loan amount, the most important thing is the EMI. Whether that EMI or the installment fee is going to work for my budget, whether I'll be able to manage within the salary. So, calculating EMIs is very critical for the loan process, and many of us actually procrastinate it. We tend to procrastinate it because we don't have this information relatively available to us. We depend upon bank official, we depend upon third party, we depend upon calculator from internet. So today I've created this video to share with you that we can actually calculate the EMIs by ourselves using a formula in MS Excel. So before we do that, let me ask you a question. And the question is, what is the expansion of EMI? What is the full form of EMI? The options are equal monthly installment, equated monthly installment, economical monthly installment, or none of the above. So you can please answer below the video. There is a comment bar. You can actually comment there, and the first 5 commenters might get a attractive gift voucher. All right. So let's go to the spreadsheet that I've prepared for you specifically on this topic. How to calculate the EMI for your loan. So I have an example for you. Whenever you look for a loan, you look for an estimate cost or amount that you want to get to accomplish the work or assignment or the scope that you are handling, right? So you have a loan amount in mind. I've taken an example of 5 lakhs Indian national rupee, and then you might also look at basis the discussions with various financial institutions or banks, that what is the rate of interest, and usually this rate of interest is given as annual, and then basis your estimation that what is the amount of period for which you want to keep this loan amount. So all these 3 steps are very critical for calculating the EMI, and I'll show you exactly how we can calculate the EMI using the Excel. So the formula that you have to use is PMT. But remember that whenever you're putting your rate of interest or the period of loan amount, you have to convert them from year to month. Yeah. Or if it is quarterly, then you'll have to convert quarterly numbers into monthly numbers. So do remember that it takes some monthly information. Yeah. So the first, when you activate the PMT formula, it asks you the rate. So my rate is 8%. So I'll actually divide it by 12 because I have to convert this into monthly rate, right? Remember that. Then the next is the NPER. So NPER is basically the number of payment period, right? So here I have a period of 5 years in mind, but remember to convert that into months. So how do you do that? You convert the year into months by multiplying the year into 12. Yeah, and that's giving you the months, and then the present value. So present value is nothing but the loan amount that you have in mind. Yeah. And future value, if you know the future value, great. If you don't know, just leave it as 0, or even if you don't mention it 0, Excel will take it as 0. Yeah. And then what the type of loan, the next thing is the type of loan. So mostly in India, the loan amount fee is charged at the start of the month. So I'll give this as 1. If it is end of the month in your case, then yes, you can select as 0, and then I'll say bracket close and I'll say enter. So friends, as you can see, my EMI for this example is 10,071 INR. Let me just mention the currency. This is a monthly amount that I'll have to pay for 5 years, of course, on a monthly basis, because that this will be a monthly deduction, yeah, from my account. So I hope this gives you a good understanding, and I have these definitions of these variables that I'm using in the formula as well. So I hope this is giving you a good clarity of how you can calculate the EMI. So now let's go to the question that I actually asked you, and the right answer is equated monthly installment. And I hope that you like this video. And if you think that we are doing a good job, friends, then you please like, subscribe, and share this video with many of your friends. So thank you, friends, ladies and gentlemen. This is Anand Jonathan signing off. We'll see you the next time. Thank you.